Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color cute fruits: kiwi, banana, watermelon, orange, cherry, and lemon. Let's start drawing. Let's look at the first fruit. Guess what fruit I draw? This is a type of small fruit which is smaller than your hand, fuzzy outside, green inside, often comes from New Zealand. That's right, that's a kiwi. Let's look at the second fruit. Guess what fruit I draw? Its color is yellow and it grows on trees. It's a popular food with apes and monkeys. That's right, that's a banana. Let's take a look at the third type of fruit. Guess which fruit has green skin, red flesh, black seeds, a lot of water, and the word water in its name? Yes, it is watermelon. Let's look at the fourth fruit and guess what? Which fruit has orange and it's rich with vitamin C? What is this fruit? That's right, that's an orange. Next up is the fifth fruit, and guess what? This fruit is small, red, and often used to decorate cakes. Yes, it's the cherry. The final fruit. Guess what fruit I drew? This fruit is used to make pies and juices. This is green and usually sour. Which fruit can be it? That's right, this is a lemon. Children, remember to eat fruit every day to enhance your body's resistance and stay healthy. Now let's color together. First, I use green, light green, black, and brown for kiwi. Then I paint the banana yellow. Next, I use light green, dark green, and red to paint the watermelon. light green, green and orange to paint the orange. Then I paint the cherry green, light brown and red. Finally, I paint the lemon brown, green and yellow. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.